All right, we're a few days away from leaving for Lake Eyre. We're going to spend a few days at Farina Ruins. The bakery is open, so it's always a good motivator to go to Farina Ruins. But we have to prepare the car. Now, I haven't done a lot to this range. I only got it in November. As you all know from our Christmas message, I wrote the first one off on the way to Birdsville. So it's been a matter of preparing this vehicle and starting to get it reorganised. I put the side steps back on it and put the GME radio. I recently took on Real Truck as a sponsor of the channel, and they've provided me a couple of items which I'm going to review and use on this trip, and I will tell you the positives and negatives. Now, it's already a tried and tested product, so I don't think I'll have any issues, but it'll be good to be able to review it, give it a good honest opinion of how it worked for us. I'm using an Oztent and I've got to work out the best efficient way of carrying the Oztent on this trip. But what Real Truck have provided, they've provided a tub divider, which will be great for the fridge, so I'll be able to put it in a position, fridge won't move around. Obviously we'll have other stuff in the tub, and I've got some racks that will go onto the tub. So we'll go into actually installing those racks, a tub divider, which should be relatively easy. To have our sponsors providing items for us that we can review, give honest reviews, installation videos, and hopefully make our trip a successful trip. All right, we'll get into it. I've taken the contents out of the box of the tub racks, and we've got two racks. We've got the end pieces here, a bag of accessories, screws, all the different parts that we need to put it together, and of course it comes together with some substantial instructions. Now this should be relatively easy, but we'll put them together. I probably won't put them on today, so we'll finish that off later because I'm doing a bit of stuff to the tub over the next couple of days. There's a lithium battery getting built into the car, and a new panel in here for our electrics, so that's going to happen. So I won't put the actual rack onto the tub just yet. I'm just putting the locks in here. So now, a bit hard with one hand, but you get the drift. So it's pretty easy to put the stays into the channel. So there's 4 each side. I think you have to be careful not to drop them. I haven't done it, but okay, so I've already done the other side, so now we can put the racks on. Okay, so we've put one of the rails on. Now you put the gasket on first. Now you'll see here there's 2 little indentations. Now I just used a small screwdriver to line up the holes. It was pretty easy. Now I've just used a 10mm on a quarter drive, nice, simple, small, and just to up the 2 bolts on each side of the rail. So fairly simple, but 10mm does the job. Okay, so to put the cap on, fairly easy. So I've put the locks in, that was easy. You can see there, but it's actually vertical. And get it in the right focus. Now when you lock it in, these are actually locked, but you'll go into that slot vertical, turn the key, and that'll lock it in. So now it's completely locked onto the vehicle. Pretty easy. Part of the reason we wanted the racks for this trip is we're actually taking the Oztent. We like the Oztent for touring because it's simple, it's light, I'm not towing anything, makes the trip far easier. But my concern was the overhang, and obviously you can see on the Ranger there is some overhang. What I've done to protect the frame of the Oztent is I've put a piece of timber along the base of it, which I've done on previous cars where we've had it on the roof with smaller racks, and that protects the frame of the actual Oztent, because the last thing you want to do over 2 weeks is have stressing the frame and bending the frame because it's on this repetitive belting around of corrugations. So we've actually got a piece of timber somewhere in here, there, so it protects the frame. So pretty happy with that. We'll have to protect the back window because the last thing we want to do is, if we brake heavily, is to have the tent move even a little bit if we haven't tied it down properly and smash in the back window. So a few things we've got to overcome, but this is the first solution for carrying the Oztent. Shovel those other bits and pieces. So we're still preparing for our for our trip. We're leaving tomorrow, and it's usually the normal thing. It's the last minute things you got to do. There's a police helicopter floating around above us there, making a bit of noise. But we started on the electrics yesterday. Just for this trip, we've got the ARB compressor all hooked up, solar input and power output, and a cigarette lighter. And we've used the Pirate panel. We've also using the Pirate separator there below the panel, so I'll probably put air hoses and stuff in there. But now we're working on the real truck divider, because I want to put a divider in here so that I can have the fridge separated. Just makes it a bit cleaner organising, because we don't have a canopy. We've got the tub racks on ready for the Oztent. That'll be fine, and we're just having a fiddle around and got lots of instructions, plenty of parts here, and we'll put the divider up. We'll show you how it looks at the end. So the divider's up, and we've actually put it in a position so that we can put the fridge in this corner here. The really good thing about this is it gives you the ability of actually moving the divider wherever you want. And you know what it's like with a tub, when you've got boxes and stuff, everything rolls around. For me, this is a good thing. It's easily removable as well. So the divider will be very, very handy on this trip. And thank you to Real Truck for giving us the opportunity to review it. And we'll see how we go over the trip and see how it all works and make sure it is up to standard. So we've got the tub racks and the divider from Real Truck. So we'll give them a burl over the next couple of weeks in the Outback. Well, we've arrived home from the Outback, and I can't stress enough how handy, if you set up like we were for this trip, having the Real Truck divider in here. Now, it gave me the ability to move, which we did move it. So it really separated everything, made it easy to pack. So I had the fridge in this section here, what we called our kitchen box, which had our stove and coffees and just stuff we needed to grab at any time. And then over this side I had tools. In the back there's a shovel. There was just things that we didn't need to grab all the time, so it just kept it all separated. And what it also did is, because the fridge was here, it stopped the fridge from moving around. It kept it nice and tight in its location. And of course, that way the power, it gave me the ability of not having the lead coming out all the time and that sort of stuff. I did have it in the Anderson plug, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, the Real Truck divider was really, really good. And I've already done enough videos, I think, for you guys on the way we were set up and the products that work for us. Obviously, we talked about the tub racks for the Oztent, and there's a separate video on that. The Real Truck tub racks were really handy because I could put things on there. We had firewood on there at one point. Obviously, we travel with the Oztent up there all the time, and it worked a treat, strong as an ox. And obviously, being the original Mountaintop brand and moving into their new name, Real Truck, I knew it was quality. I knew it was someone I wanted to be in partnership, where my channel really, we support products we like, products we believe in. You won't see me do reviews on someone sending me an email and they've got some rubbish. It's got to be, and because I've been from the industry for a long period of time, I've got a rough idea what's good and what's bad, and I won't touch the rubbish. So yeah, Real Truck, it's been really, really good for the way we were set up for this trip, like a canopy and a lot of other things, but realistically, I didn't have it for this trip, so I had to work with something, and this was an absolute treat, a solution product for us.